Welcome students. Here we are discussing a very interesting and important question from the chapter inverse trigonometric function. In fact, this is a collection of formula from this topic. So here in this question we have to prove that tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of x upon root over 1 plus x square. This is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root over 1 plus x square. This is equal to cosec inverse of root over 1 plus x square by x. This is equal to sec inverse of root over 1 plus x square. This is equal to cot inverse of 1 by x. In fact, this is a kind of correlation among all the inverse trigonometric functions. Tan inverse, sine inverse, cos inverse, cosec inverse, sec inverse, cot inverse. Okay, so this is a kind of relation among these inverse trigonometric functions. So let us see the solution here. Here we will start with this part and we'll suppose that tan inverse x is equal to theta. Let tan inverse x is equal to theta, and therefore x is equal to tan theta. Okay, this is very important relation which will be used in all these inverse trigonometric functions to prove that each of these inverse trigonometric function is equal to theta. Okay, so let us see how to proceed. Here now we will take this one. Now sine inverse of x by root over 1 plus x square. This is equal to sine inverse of x is tan theta divided by this is root over 1 plus tan square theta. You know 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and root of sec square theta is sec theta. So this is equal to sine inverse of, when you will simplify it, this is sine by cos, this is 1 by cos. Cos will be cancelled out, so simply we'll get sine theta. This is sine theta, and sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta. Next, we will take cos inverse of 1 by root over 1 plus x square. This is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root over 1 plus x square, means tan square theta, and this is equal to cos inverse of, you know, this is 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and root is here, so 1 by sec theta, and reciprocal of sec theta is cos theta. So cos inverse of cos theta, this is equal to theta. Next, cosec inverse of root over 1 plus x square upon x. This is equal to cosec inverse root over 1 plus tan square theta upon tan theta. This is equal to cosec inverse root over 1 plus tan square theta is sec theta, means 1 by cos theta, and tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta will be cancelled out. We will get 1 by sin theta here, and 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So cosec inverse of cosec theta, and this is equal to theta. Sec inverse of root over 1 plus x square. This is equal to sec inverse of root over 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to sec inverse of 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Its root is here, so sec theta. This is equal to sec theta, and sec inverse of sec theta is equal to theta. Next, last term cot inverse 1 by x, cot inverse 1 by x. This is cot inverse of 1 by x is tan theta. So this is equal to cot inverse of 1 by tan theta is cot theta, we know, and cot inverse and cot theta is equal to theta. So you see here each part is equal to theta. Okay, each part is equal to theta, and from the first part you see we have already supposed this is equal to theta. So all these inverse trigonometric functions are equal to theta. So these are equal to each other, correct? So therefore hence we can write that tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse of x by root over 1 plus x square. This is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root over 1 plus x square. This is equal to cosec inverse of root over 1 plus x square by x, and this is equal to sec inverse of root over 1 plus x square, and this is equal to cot inverse of 1 by x. So it has been proved here. Very interesting solution, very simple, understood it. Okay, so we have to discuss some more important problems from this topic. Remain in touch these videos. These are very much useful for your school examinations as well as competitive examinations. So you are supposed to remember these formulas. And if you have any doubt, you want any clarification, or want to give any suggestion, please write in the comment box. And hope you have subscribed this channel. If not, please get it subscribed. I need your cooperation, and share this video with your friends also. Wish you all the best.